Have you ever heard about Easter egg? If you don't know this, please watch this till the end. An Easter egg is a feature or message hidden in software that is meant to appeal to users. You might use Easter eggs as a product manager to boost user engagement and provide unique value. They may make your product more memorable and promote user community. They should, however, be acceptable for your target demographic, not interfere with essential functions, and be consistent with your product strategy and brand image. In summary, when adopted effectively, Easter eggs are an enjoyable tool for improving user experience. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We're helping you become a successful project manager. PM Mindset.